Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Capsule CRM, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you link or connect your Capsule CRM to your MailChimp account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to link your Capsule CRM to MailChimp anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know it's important to integrate different softwares, and that way it can automate the process of sharing contacts. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Capsule C. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Capsule CRM, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and link your MailChimp account, what you're going to do is click on your profile name here on the top right. Once you click there, you're going to see a drop-down menu, and you want to click here, Integrations. Okay, so once you click there, you're going to want to scroll down until you see the MailChimp logo. Inside there, you're going to see a Configure button. It's in purple. Go ahead and click there. Okay, so once you do that, you're going to see a little bit of information about connecting your MailChimp account to Capsule CRM. And what you want to do is click here, Connect to MailChimp. Okay, once you do that, MailChimp's going to open up a login screen. So you're going to want to enter in your username and password to your MailChimp account. Okay, next, MailChimp is going to warn you that you're about to authorize Capsule to view information in your account. If you're okay with that, click on OK or Allow. Okay, a quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see it brings me back here to my Capsule CRM. And right here, you can see the MailChimp API key was added automatically. So now my MailChimp is connected to my Capsule CRM. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to link or connect your MailChimp account to your Capsule CRM, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.